We're going to explain how to fix the ModuleNotFoundError, no module named schedule error in Python. This error happens when your Python code tries to use the schedule module, but Python can't find it. This is because the schedule module isn't a built-in part of Python. It's a third-party library that needs to be installed separately. Let's walk through how to solve this. 1. Understanding the problem. The core issue is that your system doesn't know where to find the schedule library's files. Python looks in specific places for modules, and if it's not there, you get this error. Think of it like trying to find a book in a library without knowing the library's organization or the book's location. 2. The solution. Installing the schedule library. The solution is simple. You need to install the schedule library using pip, the package installer for Python. Open your terminal or command prompt, the black window where you can type commands. 3. Using pip to install. Type the following command and press enter. Pip install schedule. Pip will then connect to a repository of Python packages, like a giant online library, and download the schedule library and install it in the correct location so Python can find it. If you are using a virtual environment, this is even more important, since pip will install the library only in the scope of your environment. 4. Verifying the installation. After the installation completes, you'll see a success message. Try running your Python script again. The error should be gone. If you see any errors, pay attention to the exact message. It might indicate another problem, perhaps an issue with your Python installation or the virtual environment. 5. Troubleshooting. If the pip install schedule command doesn't work, there could be a few reasons. 5.1. Incorrect pip installation. Make sure pip is correctly installed. You can check by typing pip version in your terminal. If it shows a version number, it's installed. If not, you might need to reinstall Python or your package manager. 5.2. Network connectivity issues. The installation process requires an internet connection to download the library. Verify your internet connection is working properly. 5.3. Permission issues. You might need administrator privileges to install packages globally. Try running your terminal as an administrator, or using sudo pip install schedule on Linux Mac OS. 5.4. Using a virtual environment. It's highly recommended to use virtual environments in Python, especially for projects. If you're using one, activate it before running pip install schedule. Virtual environments isolate your project's dependencies, so you can have different versions of libraries without conflicts. 5.5. Python version incompatibility. It's rare, but very occasionally a library isn't compatible with your Python version. Check the schedule library's documentation or website to ensure compatibility. 6. Using the schedule library. Once successfully installed, you can import and use the schedule library in your Python scripts using the line import schedule. Refer to the library's documentation for details on its usage. Remember to save your work before running the script after the installation. Using a good IDE is a good idea. This will provide auto-completion to help in coding and debugging.